Hey, if you've got a 99 through about 07, 08 Chevy Silverado, Suburban, that kind of truck, and you're having a problem with your power windows not working from one door to the other, or you've got a speaker in the door that's not working quite right, and you find that you can reach into the door jamb and wiggle these wires around the tube, you may have broken wires in there, and I'm going to show you how you get in there to find out what they look like, and then you'll need to repair them and get you back on the road again. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull off the inner kick panel, and literally you just pull up the sill plate and that snaps off. That's it. That's what you do. And then this side access panel, I'll pop that off, move it out of the way, and then inside of here you'll find you can trace the wire from the door all the way up to here, push down on the tab, and that pops right off. We'll pull this wire now out of the dash just to give yourself some little working room, and then peel off the cover of this tube. And later we'll pull this plastic piece out. It's got a tab on each side. We're going to pull that out so we can snap it back under here and just snap it back in. So here's where we're at. Here's your wire. Do yourself a favor, don't pull this all the way out, because it's a little tricky to fish back in unless you tape a wire or a string to the inside first to get to it. Now you've got access to your wiring here, and I can feel a broken wire, but a little hard to see in the video. But what we're going to do now is remove this tape from here so I can get to that broken wire, and we're going to repair any wires here with proper heat shrink, make sure they're taped back up good and solid, and then we'll put it back together the reverse of the way we took it apart. Now, if for some reason you take this apart and you say, well, I took it apart and I did not find a broken wire in the door, well, you're not out a whole lot, because it really didn't take that long to get to it. The hard part of this procedure is actually doing the repair on the wire before you put it back together. But more than likely, if you've got a truck like this that's over 10 years old, it's probably going to have some cracks in those wires already. It's a good idea to tape them up or cut them. It's usually just the insulation's broken in the beginning, but if you see anything wrong with them, make sure you at least fix the insulation. If not, cut the wire, put proper heat shrink on them, put them back together so they're in there solid and they last. Typically when we make a repair like this in one of these trucks, it lasts the rest of the life of the truck. All right, everybody, just a little short video here. Somebody asked about it and they wanted to know what we meant by broken wires in a door jamb. So that's it. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you on the next episode of Under the Hood.